3, 2, 1, 0.
So I just want to show you guys what I came up with, because these tire mount things are like $100, right? Mount your own tires, just mount your own tires. It's got the bead breaker down there, so on and so forth. But they want you to bolt this thing to the floor, and I was like, I'm not bolting this thing to the floor in my garage. I want to be able to lift it up and move it, and take it places and do things. You know, if I bolt it to the floor, then it's just in the way in the garage. Great if you own a shop, but if you're just somebody at home that does this every once in a while, then, you know, you want to be able to move this thing around. So I bought a hitch extension for the back of the truck, and then I went ahead and bolted it straight through the hitch extension. That way I can just grab it, pull it off, and put it up. And whenever I want to do a tire, I can literally just lift it up with one hand, pop it right into the hitch receiver. If I need to break the bead, I can literally just one hand take that off, set it on the ground, put the tire down, break the bead, then put it up on top, and then mount this back on there, then drop the tire on. And then from there, obviously I'm not going to bend the hitch, so I can do all the tire work with the bar right up here and simplify my life. And when I'm done, I can literally just grab this. I don't even have to put the pin lock in. If you want to, you can, but I can just grab this and pull it right off and then store it back in the garage or wherever I want to do with it. So for those of you going, oh, I don't want to mount this thing to the floor, and I don't want to mount it to a big piece of wood, and I don't want to do any of that, here you go. As long as you get a full-size hitch receiver, man, this works great. That's not going anywhere. You are not going to bend that doing these. So if you want a nice little portable rig to simplify your life, this is how I chose to do it. Again, just a hitch receiver. I didn't even have to adjust the hitch size. It fit in there perfectly. So it's just a hitch extension. It's a 12-inch hitch extension that goes in the back of your truck. And I mean, again, if you want to put the pin lock in there, you can. If you're going to be doing this as a mobile service, well, now there you go. I just created the simplest system for those of you that are doing mobile stuff. I have seen so many videos of people mounting these things to the floor and trying to figure out how to get them to stay in place while they do their tires, and it took me all of 5 minutes to come up with an idea that would solve all the problems and still make this thing portable and easy to use. So now if a friend wanted to borrow it, they could just come over and be like, yeah, let me borrow your tire thing. Yeah, no problem. Swing by, grab it, stick it on their hitch. They can do their tires, drop it off when you're done. It's now a tool that can be used by anybody. It's not mounted to the floor. I can take it with me. I can do stuff on the road. I can whatever. Like, this just simplifies your entire life doing it this way. So just I wanted to throw that idea out there for you guys, because this is what I came up with, and it works great. As I was saying, once you take your tire off, again, you could just set it on the ground and do your beading process right here. So you could just set it down, do your tire like you normally would on the ground, break the bead on both sides. Then, again, one hand, I can grab this whole thing, dismount it right out of there and set it down with one hand, put it wherever I need it to go. But again, if I'm just breaking the bead, I just set the tire down, do the bead like normal with the, you know, hand thing. When I'm ready, pick it up with one hand, slide it right into the end, set my tire on top, boom, away I go. No need to mount it to the floor. And when I'm done, I can just pick it up, bring it back in the garage, and set it down wherever I'm gonna have it go, which in this case, it's going on the side of the garage. So set it down. Best $100 you'll spend.